automated call from Bell Canada. We have noticed your network protection has been removed manually. Currently, it violates our terms of use. If this is not done by you, kindly press 1 to update the necessary security to avoid suspension.
Your call is very important to us. Please stay on the line and you'll be transferred to the next available.
Hello?
Hello, sir. How are you doing today? Can I be of help, sir?
Pretty good, but I'm having trouble hearing you. I can hear this buzzing sound on my phone. It must be from you.
You can't hear my voice clearly. Is that what you're saying?
Your voice is a little bit muffled. I can really hear that buzzing noise. It sounds like there's a bee stuck on your phone.
Okay, all right. I'll give you a call back on a better line. Is that all right?
Okay, you actually said you're gonna call me back. I'll be waiting here with bated breath, okay?
Okay, cool. No worries.
Okay, thank you.